Mm-mm. Guys, that's not math. I need to read the instructions because this is not.
Okay, I feel like it's really, really quiet. Like, why isn't it hearing me properly? Hello?
What is poppin', y'all? Camera Rosés in the building, and we are back for another video. I don't really know how I'm gonna make this title, but hopefully, as you can see by the title, I'm reviewing two products right now. So the first thing that I'm reviewing is a microphone. This was sent to me to be reviewed, so here I am to unbox it and review it. So the second thing I got is from Shein, I don't know how to pronounce it. It's a bed set that's from their home section that I didn't know existed. So I'm not gonna say too much about it because guess what? I'm going to use this mic to do the voiceover of that review. See what I did there? Yeah, I'm so smart sometimes. Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna just get unboxing. So here I am unboxing the box. Oh, right here we got the instruction manual, all right, on how to use it and stuff. Like normally, like that's in things, right? I'm gonna need this later because I'm gonna act like I'm sick and I'm gonna think I can set this up, and then when I can't, I'm gonna be looking for this. So I'm gonna actually keep that at the side rather than flinging it away. Okay, so what we have here is this. This looks like, let me continue. Oh, this is the mic part. So it looks like, guys, that's not math. I need to read the instructions because this is not. This doesn't belong together. For sure, this doesn't belong together. I thought I would have been sick. I don't know how to put this together. Okay, so this looks like the microphone actual part, right? And then they also gave me this that I think goes over the microphone. What is this part for, guys? Let me know what it's for. I actually liked how it looked better without it. I liked it naked. I still don't understand this part. Okay, let's keep going. Side here goes in here. Ooh, I'm getting somewhere. And then the USB, it's a USB mic, so the USB would be going into your computer, for example. So I'm still in the dark on what this is for. Now we're on to here, which looks like some sort of holder for the mic. Yeah, this looks like just, does it just stand here? This looks like some sort of holder for the mic. See, the thing is, when I'm doing the voiceover, I'm gonna know because it's gonna be completely set up. But I feel like this is correct. I feel like I'm on the right track. I could also be on the track of breaking it before I could even review it. I'm assuming it's something like so. No, that doesn't even look right. Forget it. This guy actually attaches to this. That would make sense, yeah. Okay, so now I have this. Oh my god, there's more things. I actually thought this was it, like this was here like this. But when I picked this up, there's actually more. So just when I thought I had something figured out here, I think this is starting to make sense. So this looks like it goes like this. Yo. Boom. Oh man, look at me. And then this is the last piece. This guy, I don't know where he goes. This we're gonna get back to. Oh, there's a picture on the manual. Let me just take a peek. Okay. This isn't making sense. Okay, you know what I said I was gonna do? I said I was gonna unbox it. So this is unboxing. I unboxed it. This is what comes in the box, okay? This is what comes in the box. And I'm gonna stop it here. I'm gonna stop it here because I don't know how to put this together. The math isn't making sense right now. And when I get this together, when I'm editing, then you'll see what it is. Because it's not working for me right now. I don't know how to put it together. Okay, here is the final setup of the mic. All right, this was actually a lot easier to set up than I thought. This right here is just the knob to volume, I think. Man, I don't actually know. To mute it, I guess. I would assume that's that. It's not plugged into my computer right now. I will say I haven't figured out how to keep this in place from moving. Oh, maybe I just figured it out. Yeah, okay, so that keeps it in place, but I would say that this thing, it's a little weird. Maybe I'm just not using it properly, or maybe I'm just not used to mics, but it seems a little wobbly and unsteady. So that kind of throws me off. It also moves, even if I set it, it moves pretty quickly, even if I've set it. So not too sturdy in that sense. This part here just stuck on, so I don't know if I'm gonna use the voiceover with it, without it, maybe a little of both. So the sound can also work with that. Video in a video. So I have my actual video open. I have the mic right beside me. So I plugged them in. As soon as I plugged it in, this light lit up. And again, don't really know what that knob is gonna do for us, but it's all right.
Okay, here we are testing out the mic. I am clearly just unbagging the blanket. It is for a queen size bed. So I actually just ran it back. I hear that there is a lot of background noise happening. I don't know where that's coming from. It also sounds real quiet. So I don't really know. So what I'm going to try to do now, I'm going to put this little black circle thing over it. See if that helps with the sound. Hopefully it does. Anyways, let's get it on my bed. So I actually thought that there was a thicker sheet in this package, but there isn't. And there's also not really a fitted sheet either. So I just left my regular fitted sheet on it. I must say I do really like the pattern of this. I'm actually really confused as to where the top and the bottom is, because there's literally there's no tags. So I'm just guessing. Do a little math. Okay, I feel like it's really, really quiet. Like, why isn't it hearing me properly? Hello? Why does it say it's low? Like, super, super low. Whatever. Anyways, I got the sheet on my bed, clearly. And I'm putting on the pillowcases for it. Clearly. Again. The set just looks really, really nice. I ain't even gonna lie. This is kind of the side profile. And I did actually realize after the fact that there is a zipper at the very bottom of the bed. So I put that blue blanket inside, and it's a lot more fluffier, so that's sick. But yeah, that's really, really it. This is me posing beside my bed. Getting a little tired. Trying to get a thumbnail. And yeah, that's really that on that. I would say it is a 7.5 out of 10, as you can see by my fingers. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Hey.
Oh, I'm still here. So yeah, I'm gonna just leave it at that. So again, I can see that the mic volume is really, really low when it comes out on my editing platform. So I'm just gonna like put it a little higher, so when you hear it, it will sound louder than what it actually recorded as, because I have it on the highest volume and it's still low. So I don't know if I just did something wrong. Hello, 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 hello. No way. Yo, the further it is, it looks like the louder it's hearing me. Well, I don't know the math between that. If y'all use mics, let me know. Let me know how to use it. But anyways, I think it is for someone who doesn't use mics much and is kind of like a beginner. It is a very easy to use, straightforward mic to put together, to kind of figure out how to use. It is pretty solid in that sense, so I would definitely recommend it. It is on Amazon. I will leave the link in the bio on where to find it. But yeah, that's really that on that. The blanket set is actually still on my bed. You can probably see it was pretty affordable as well. I unfortunately don't have any promo codes for Shein, so Shein, if you want to send me a promo code and things like that, you can do that. But yeah, that's really that on that. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hit the thumbs up, drop a comment what you think about either the mic or the bed set. Doesn't matter, choose what you want to choose and talk about it with me. But yeah, until then, I'll catch y'all in the next video.